Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Avenir in Palm Beach Gardens, which is going to be a massive luxury planned community. So if you want to see more of what they have to offer, stay until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the beautiful Hartwell model by K Hovnanian, and the Hartwell is going to give you 3,095 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and it's all under a wide split floor plan that's open in the center of the home. There's a game room that can be used as a home theater at the front of the home. The owner suite is in the back, while the other bedrooms are on either side of the foyer for maximum privacy. One of the guest bedrooms has its own ensuite, while the other two share a Jack and Jill bathroom. And something that's unique that they're offering here is a designated workspace near the living areas that has bright lighting, storage space, and it's an integrated design where you can keep an eye on kids doing schoolwork. And new homes here offer 3 distinct styles curated by their interior designers that you can choose from. But if you're looking for something quicker and more move-in ready, they have a few homes like that too, and the community is starting to see some homes for sale. So if you want more information about those, or if you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. And on their styles, their farmhouse has detailed textures and more rustic notes. So a farmhouse kitchen is going to have shaker style cabinets that leave uncovered wall space between the crown and the ceiling. There's going to be molding on the freestanding range hood and lantern style pendant lights with open metal framework and a matte black finish. You have the traditional deep farmhouse sink with those high arc black pull down faucets and contrasting finishes on both the island and cabinets. And in the bathroom, you'll find round vanity mirrors and aged oak vanities with more black hardware accents. They also have a modern style that's cleaner and more minimal with a neutral color palette. And in their modern kitchens, you'll find full overlay cabinets that are sleek, flat panels and open floating shelving for clear lines. The range hood has a more commercial look, and they have the option for that iconic waterfall edge island. And they have a more timeless classic style, and you'll see in those kitchens they offer stacked glass cabinets with a decorative hood, marbled pattern backsplash, and candelabra pendant lights. So take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes Palm Beach Gardens in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.